Nobody talks about this, but after 60, your eyes and brain start slowing down in ways that feel impossible to stop. You wake up with blurry vision that takes minutes to clear. You walk into a room and forget why. You stare at a screen and within minutes, your eyes sting and your focus fades. It's not just getting older. It's a signal that your body isn't repairing itself while you sleep, the most important time for healing. Here's something shocking. Studies from the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that 92% of adults over 65 lack the key nutrients their eyes and brain need to repair overnight. That means every night while you rest, your body stays starved of what it needs to rebuild memory cells, refresh your vision, and recharge your focus. Make sure to watch until the end because the final juice is the one almost every senior overlooks. Yet it's the one that gives the fastest overnight improvement. Before we dive in, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been lately? Drop it in the comments below. Number 4, carrot juice. If there's one juice seniors overlook the most, it's carrot juice. And that's a mistake, because it directly nourishes both your eyes and your memory center, the prefrontal cortex. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This is the nutrient your retina depends on to see clearly in dim light. Without enough vitamin A, the delicate photoreceptor cells in your eyes begin to weaken. This leads to dry eyes, blurry vision, and difficulty seeing at night. That's why so many seniors struggle with glare from headlights or reading fine print. Their eyes simply don't have the fuel to adapt. But carrot juice does more than protect your sight. It also sharpens your mind. It contains falcarinol, a natural compound that helps protect brain cells from inflammation and oxidative damage. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that older adults who drank beta-carotene-rich juice daily improved memory recall and focus within just 8 weeks. Their test scores for visual recall improved by 13%, enough to go from forgetting small details to remembering them clearly. Carrot juice also delivers lutein and zeaxanthin. These are powerful antioxidants that guard the macula, the small spot in your retina responsible for sharp, central vision. Think of them as sunglasses for your eyes, filtering harmful light, reversing microdamage, and helping your eyes recover from screen fatigue. Here, how to make it part of your day. Use 2 or 3 medium carrots, peel and juice them fresh. Add a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C, and a slice of ginger to boost circulation. Then drink it with a healthy fat, like a teaspoon of olive oil or a few walnuts. This is crucial because carotenoids are fat-soluble, meaning your body can only absorb them when fat is present. Drink your carrot juice in the morning, ideally with breakfast. You'll notice your eyes feel more alert and your focus lasts longer throughout the day. Number 3, beet juice. Let's be honest. Most people over 60 never think about blood flow when it comes to memory loss or blurry vision. But they should, because without steady circulation, your brain and eyes are literally starved of oxygen. And that's where beet juice changes everything. Beets are packed with dietary nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide, a natural molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and open wider. This process, called vasodilation, increases oxygen-rich blood flow to your brain and retina, fueling the cells responsible for focus, clarity, and visual repair. Researchers publishing in the Nitric Oxide Journal found that adults over 60 who drank beet juice daily had significant improvements in cerebral blood flow, especially in the frontal lobe, the area responsible for attention and decision-making. After just 4 weeks, participants had faster reaction times, better focus, and sharper short-term memory. Beet juice also protects your eyes. Nitric oxide helps maintain the tiny blood vessels in your retina, preventing microdamage that leads to macular degeneration. Another study from the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics found that seniors who drank beet juice daily had healthier retinal thickness and lower oxidative stress, meaning their eyes were literally aging slower. What makes beet juice so remarkable is how fast it works. Unlike fat-soluble nutrients that take time to absorb, nitric oxide levels start rising within 30 minutes of your first glass. Many people feel the difference the same day, more alert, more energized, and mentally clear. Here, how to make it work for you. Take 1 medium beet, peel and slice it. Juice it with half an apple or half an orange to balance the earthy taste. Drink it in the afternoon between 2:00 and 4:00 p.m. That's when circulation naturally dips and mental fatigue sets in. A single glass at that time can reignite your energy. For an extra benefit, pair your beet juice with a short 10-minute walk. The movement amplifies blood flow, enhancing nitric oxide delivery even more. Before we continue, if you're learning something new today, please tap the like button. It helps more seniors discover helpful videos like this one. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Prime Life and turn on notifications. Number 2, blueberry juice. Now, let's talk about something truly remarkable. A juice that doesn't just protect your eyes and brain, but actually helps rebuild them. That juice is blueberry juice. Blueberries are small, but they are one of the most powerful natural sources of anthocyanins. These are deep purple antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and directly nourish your brain cells. Unlike many other nutrients, anthocyanins don't just slow decline. They trigger neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells. In a study published in the Journals of Gerontology series, seniors who drank wild blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in memory recall, processing speed, and even neural activity on MRI scans. Scientists found that anthocyanins increase levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This is a protein that helps existing neurons survive while encouraging new ones to grow. And it doesn't stop there. For your eyes, blueberry juice acts like a repair crew. It protects the delicate retinal ganglion cells which transmit visual signals to your brain. A 2019 study in Molecular Vision found that regular blueberry extract intake helped preserve retinal structure and reduced oxidative damage, even in older subjects exposed to light and screen stress. One of my favorite examples is a patient named Helen, age 74. She told me reading had become frustrating. The words blurred and her brain felt slow. But after just 3 weeks of drinking blueberry juice each evening, her focus returned. She could read comfortably again, and her nightly crossword puzzles came back into her routine. Here, how you can make it at home. Blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen wild blueberries with half a banana or a few ice cubes and a little water. You can also use unsweetened blueberry juice if you're short on time. Drink it in the evening, about 90 minutes before bed. This is when your body begins its natural repair cycle. That's when antioxidants and BDNF work their magic, repairing cells while you sleep. Number 1, spinach juice. Now, we have saved one of the most surprising juices for last. Spinach juice. It's green, it's humble, and it might just be the most complete juice for both brain and eye repair. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids your eyes store in the macula. As we age, levels of these protective pigments drop, making the macula vulnerable to light damage and inflammation, the root causes of macular degeneration and blurry vision. But spinach juice replenishes those pigments and supports real, functional repair. A study in the journal Nutrients found that older adults with higher blood levels of lutein and zeaxanthin had faster visual processing and better contrast sensitivity. This means they could see sharper details and adjust to light changes faster than those who didn't. For your brain, spinach is equally impressive. It is loaded with folate, a B vitamin essential for neurotransmitter production, especially dopamine and serotonin. Low folate levels are strongly linked to memory decline. In fact, a 2018 clinical trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with restored folate levels significantly improved their attention and memory performance. Spinach also provides vitamin K, which strengthens the myelin sheath. This is the protective coating around your neurons that helps signals travel quickly between brain cells. Simply put, it keeps your mental wiring intact. Here, how to make it. Take 1 large handful of raw spinach. Juice it with half a green apple or a cucumber to soften the flavor, and add a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C. Drink it in the mid-morning or before lunch. That's when your body absorbs folate and carotenoids best. One important note: spinach contains oxalates, which can interfere with calcium absorption if overconsumed. So moderation matters. 1 small glass a few times a week is perfect. Even after the first week, many seniors notice a difference. Less eye strain, steadier focus, and a calmer, clearer mind. The daily routine. Now that you know the 4 most powerful juices, let's put them together into one simple plan. The key is to work with your body's natural rhythm. Morning, start with carrot juice. Drink it shortly after waking up. It delivers vitamin A right when your retina needs to reset for the day. If you take medications, drink it after your first light meal. Mid-morning, go for spinach juice. This is your green fuel. The folate and vitamin K help you stay sharp through the middle of the day. Afternoon 2:00 p.m. Drink beet juice. This is when your energy dips. The nitric oxide reopens blood vessels and wakes up your brain. Evening, about 90 minutes before bed, enjoy blueberry juice. This is your repair drink, helping neurons rebuild while you sleep. You don't have to drink all 4 every day. 2 juices a day is plenty. Rotate them. What matters most isn't perfection, it's consistency. Medical disclaimer: before trying any new foods or juices, please consult your doctor, especially if you have kidney disease, diabetes, heart conditions, or take prescription medications. Every senior's body is unique. If you've made it this far, first, thank you. It tells me something important about you. You're not just watching another health video. You're here because you believe, or at least hope, that it's not too late. That your eyes can still see clearly. That your memory can still come back. And you're right. Your brain and your vision haven't given up on you. They're just waiting for the right support. Every small choice matters. These aren't quick fixes. They are quiet acts of restoration that build momentum over time. If this video gave you new hope or insight, please like this video, subscribe to Senior Prime Life, and share it with someone you care about. And if you'd like to support our mission, you can click the Super Thanks button. Your support truly makes a difference. Thank you for spending your time here today. Stay well, stay curious, and remember, healing doesn't happen in one night, but it does happen.